Good day, y'all. Sorry for the blurry camera. Camera's a little on the crappy side of things right now. So we got, these are the Partridge Brahmas. Still hanging out with the Easter eggers and the Americanas. Here's Jubilee. Nice green tinge coming on. And then you got lavender, silver lace, buff Brahmas, Partridge Brahmas, bigger ones. More Partridge Brahmas. That's cream leg bar mix. That's silver lace, silver lace. Those are some hens with the rooster that's going to end up... Listen, all you guys are going to end up going over on the other side. These are some roosters. I'm getting too aggressive. And we got some blue Australorps. And we got... That's shy. We got some Americanas. Golden lace are all hanging out over there. A lot of birds. We're going to remove all these roosters in here, put them in the rooster pen. Then we got the other hen coop on the other side, so we'll go take a peek over there real quick. There in this coop, we got, there's Bert, there's Ernie. Bert's huge. I swear to God, Ernie, if you bite me again. So we're gonna have to split up the roosters over there on the other pen because I can hear them freaking out. So these are my hens and Charlie. They're going through a molt right now, so they're not the greatest. Not getting a whole lot of eggs for all these hens. So we have these ones, and just I'll pause it again, and we'll go to the other coop. So this is the second coop, and then this is the rooster pen. So these are all my roosters. We're just growing these ones for meats, but they don't know that. And then right next door is the outdoor run for the coop. So I'm not sure what silver lace rooster I'm keeping, but we got lots to choose from, and I don't know how the hell you choose. Somebody's picking on somebody in there. And that's Phoenix off her eggs. So yeah, so these are our meats. I'm going to throw some more in here. That one over there, I'm kind of not really sure if it's a rooster or not because it's not acting like a rooster. I would swear it was a hen. So I might put her in the other pen, not sure. Chubbs' baby, obviously. Stanley's baby there, he has a crest just like Stanley. Alright everyone, see you later.